Today we will be talking about life cycle of a plastic bottle. Production. The life cycle of a plastic bottle begins with the extraction of raw materials like petroleum or natural gas. These materials are refined and processed to create plastic polymers which are then molded into bottle shapes through blow molding. This process is energy intensive and involves significant carbon emissions. Distribution and use. Once produced, plastic bottles are filled with beverages or other products and distributed to stores. Consumers purchase the bottles and use them. The bottle is often discarded after a single use, contributing to plastic waste. Some plastic bottles are used multiple times, but many end up as waste shortly after consumption. Disposal. After use, plastic bottles are typically thrown away if not properly recycled. They end up they end up in landfills, oceans, or natural environments where they take hundreds of years to decompose. Many bottles, however, are collected through curbside recycling programs, drop off centers, or recycling bins. Recycling. Collected plastic bottles can be recycled. The bottles are cleaned, shredded, and melted down to create new plastic products. This process reduces the need for virgin plastic, though it requires energy and still has environmental impacts. However, recycling rates are low, and some plastic bottles are downcycled into lower quality products. End of life. If not recycled, plastic bottles contribute to environmental pollution. In the environment, they break into smaller particles called microplastics, which can harm wildlife and ecosystems. Best alternatives to plastic bottles. Glass bottles. Glass is a sustainable alternative as it is reusable, recyclable, and does not leach chemicals into beverages. However, it is heavier and more fragile than plastic. Stainless steel bottles. These bottles are durable, reusable, and excellent of maintaining the temperature of liquids. They are more eco-friendly compared to single-use plastic. Aluminium bottles. Aluminium is lightweight and recyclable. Reusable aluminium bottles are a better choice, though the environmental impact of production still needs to be considered. Biodegradable bottles. Made from materials like plant based polymers, example PLA, these bottles decompose faster than plastic, though they still require industrial composting conditions to break down completely. Bamboo and plant based containers. Some companies are exploring bottles made from sustainable materials like bamboo fiber or other plant based substances, offering a compostable option. In conclusion, the transition to reusable, recyclable, and biodegradable alternatives is crucial uh, for reducing the environmental impact of plastic bottles. Reducing the reliance on single use plastic is key to mitigating pollution and preserving ecosystems.